Guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a page in Google Docs. Alright, so this is a Google document and it has 5 pages. So we have a couple of blank pages we would like to delete in this document. So there are different ways to do that. The first way to do that is to highlight this blank page. You can highlight this blank page and then click on backspace. So that's the first way to delete a page in Google Docs. The second way is to go to the last line in this document, the last line of the page preceding the page you would like to delete. So we want to delete this blank page, which is page 2. So what we do is to place your cursor here and then click on delete on your keyboard. So keep on pressing the delete till it gets here. So this is it. Keep on pressing delete. Alright, so that's done. Another way to do that is you can check your page setup. Click on file, scroll down to page setup, and then adjust the settings at the bottom. Here is okay, it is 1 here and it's perfectly fine. So you have to check this to make sure that it's set at the right inches. So another thing you have to look out for in your document is the line spacing. Click on format, scroll down to line and paragraph spacing, and then scroll down to custom spacing. So it is to check the paragraph spacing to know the number of line spacing after each paragraph, and this is fine. Before and after, no spacing. This is perfectly fine. So you have to look at for these two. Click on cancel, we don't need it. So these are the ways to delete a page in Google Docs. I hope you liked this video. If you do, let me know in the comments below what you think. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.